Hello guys, this is James from TechProof Solution. Today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to make money online. When it comes to money, I know a lot of you guys are very interested. So that's why I'm posting this video. So by the way guys, if you are new here to my channel, please subscribe or hit the notification bell to notify you every time I post a video like this. So let's start on how you're gonna make money online. As you can see guys, I'm using my Android phone to show you how to do it. So first thing that you're gonna need to do guys is you're gonna go to Google Play Store. Then search for this application, Make Money Online. I want you to install this guys, Make Money Legitimate blah blah blah. So this is the application guys. So install it to your phone, then open it. So as you can see guys, here are the list of things that you can do to make money online. You can check all of this list guys and find out what will work for you. So for example, I'm gonna go to the first list, start a YouTube channel. Oh, there's an ad. I'm gonna close it. So start a YouTube channel. As you can see, these are all the information you can do or you can check on how to start a YouTube channel. So I'm gonna try another one, which is start a blog. So these are all the information you can do and check if this thing will gonna work for you. So just check all the list guys and see if what will work for you. There's a bunch of things in here like do affiliate marketing, create niche website, publish Kindle ebook, create a membership site. So there's a lot of things in here guys. So there's a bunch of work here and I'm sure you can do a lot of, especially if you are good in computer. So another app that I want you to check guys is you're gonna go again to Google Play Store, then back. I want you to install this application guys, this one, Earn Extra Income. Install it to your phone, then once you install it, open it. So it's the same thing guys on the other app, but I think this is better, so I'm gonna show you the difference. So when I click the first list, so here are the information. Then after the information, you can see links like join Fiverr, watch video about this Fiverr FAQ, and you can log in. So I think that's the difference about this app to the other app, because after the information you can click the links to start the application for this specific work. So I'm gonna try another one. So when I go to for example just answer, so here are all the information. Then after the information you're gonna see join just answer, watch video, log in. So I think this is better than the other one because of that. But I think guys, it's better if you're gonna install the two applications to give you more list of ideas that will work for you. So that's it guys. These are the things that you can do to make money online. By the way guys, even if you're working now, you can still do it. And if you think there's something that you can do from the list, do it now and make money. So that's the video for today guys. If you like the video, hit thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Have a nice day and see you in my next video.